property comes with its own private garden, so all of this garden area you are allowed to use for your own personal space. It also has a gated entrance, so is very secure, especially for females, and is situated right in the heart of the Jordaan. 2 minutes walk from the Westerstraat and the Westertoren. So you walk into the door here, you have the beautiful tiled floors. This is the kitchen living room area. Big windows, double glazed, high ceilings. You can see the high ceilings, the artwork. You have a little table and chairs here, and then you have a fully equipped kitchen. You have dishwasher, microwave, sink, fully equipped utensils, large fridge freezer, oven, and also space to put your crockery. In this room you have your second bedroom, again with double glazing, fully heated, and tile floor heating. You have a little mirror light in the ceiling. At the moment there is a pull-out double bed, but you can change that. This room's quite a generous size for Amsterdam properties, especially considering this is right in the heart of the Jordaan. And we make our way upstairs. You have your intercom so that you can let your guests in, because it is a gated entrance for security, with your private garden. Upstairs you have your living room with a large television, and we're just going to scroll round, and we have a sofa with coffee table here, and you also get a better view of the height of the apartment with the big windows. And then we also have a storage facility here, so if we walk through you can store clothes, shoes, bags, suitcases, anything you might want there. We have a bathroom with a bath and lovely tile floors with washing machine and a dryer, towels, bathroom and a shower, also heated so that it's nice and warm in the winter. This is actually a monumental building, so it has all the original features of a Jordaan monumental warehouse. We have a walk-in wardrobe here, complete with bedding, ready to go, towels, space to hang up clothes, plenty of storage space in this flat, especially if there's 2 people living here. There's a mirror on the back of the door, and this is another little bedroom with view onto the courtyard below, again double glazing, heating through the floor, and a double bed with 2 nightstands, plenty of space for privacy. If you had, this is suitable for a professional couple where you could use the second bedroom for guests. It's also suitable for 2 professionals to share, because 1 bedroom's downstairs and 1 is upstairs, giving plenty of space for privacy.